Okay, so 2 weeks ago, my AC went down because of the blowers not blowing, and so I try to change the capacitor on this one, but this blower here don't have capacitor. It doesn't take that kind of capacitor. What I find out is that this motor have a built-in capacitor in there, inside there. And so if you ever have one blower that looks just like this, and if the blower is not blowing after you check continuity, you check the power, check the transformer, and everything is good, but somehow the motor is not running, then most likely is your motor, your blower motor, that is dead. And that's what I found out, and I'm putting this one in to see how it go. All right. Okay, as you see, I installed my blower motor to the furnace, and you see these wire here. Those are the control 24-volt wired, power wired, and the bottom one here are your 220 power supply. And so it's just plug and play. If you got one of these motor that is out, all you need to do is get a new one. I'll show you the site, or I'll show you where I bought it from. And so this is how you do it. Just plug and play, and let's turn it on. Alright, here as you can see, my blower is working. Here we go, spinning. Alright, everything is looking good. And now my home has AC. Yeah, it take me like a week and a half for this motor to came in. So I barely install it, and hopefully another 10 years from now it'll go out. All right. Okay, so this one is my old blower motor, and this one is the one that is dead. It's half horsepower, 208 to 230 volt, and so I replaced this one. This is called the X13, and I replace it with this one, Evergreen. You have to go online to get it. I think you just type in Evergreen and then Evergreen replacement, and then just put on your the horsepower of the motor of your old motor. Put that on, all the information on, and then you can order from there, or I believe you can order in Amazon. Yeah, Amazon should carry it too. And it comes with these. Okay, it comes with the harness, but I just want to plug and play, so I use my old one, and I just leave this here. All right.